what's going on everybody? So today we are going to talk about how you can create social media system using something very cool, RSS feed, and then you can create this system using RSS feed for any sort of a social media platform that you can think of, like Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, and everything like TikTok and all, right? So you can use RSS feed to create any sort of a social media system, and you can scale that to a very high level to that, right? So yeah, so first of all, in that scenario, let's first look at what is RSS feed, and then we can straight away jump into the social media system, and then we'll build it from the scratch in this video live in front of you. So yeah, let's dive into that. So first of all, what is RSS feed? So it is nothing but it can help you to basically create an URL that will then act as a trigger. So whenever, like let's say for example, if you choose an web page where, like, if you want whenever they post, you want to get a notification, or you want to retrieve that item whenever like they post, so this rss.app will basically help you to create a URL that will act as a trigger, and then basically gives you the item whenever like that particular URL, that particular website is posting on their web page. And then again, it's not just limited to website. You can basically create an RSS feed for any sort of a web app. Like let's say if you want to create a RSS feed for the social media, you can also do that. Let me show you that as well. So yeah. So once you for that, what you need to do is, like, you need to come over to rss.app, and then you have to sign up with an account. And once you logged into your account, you just need to come over to this my feed and then click on this new feed, right? And here in the bottom you can see there are multiple options for which you can create an RSS feed. So let's say if you want to create an RSS feed for Instagram, so let's say if you want something like whenever a particular profile is posting on their account, you want to get notified and you want to get the details of that post, you can create an RSS feed. Just like that, you can create RSS feed for LinkedIn, Twitter, TikTok, web page. Let's say if there's a news website and you want to create an RSS feed for that, you can also create that. So basically we are going to look at that, how to create an RSS feed first. So basically for that, let's search for, let's say in this particular video we are going to see how you can create an artificial intelligence post whenever the website or the news publication is like publishing the news on their website, right? So for that, we just need to find a relevant and truthful source for the news. So for that, let's look at the artificial intelligence news, and then just come over to this news section, and then you can find a lot of website who is publishing news around the artificial intelligence. Right now, again, we need to be very particular here, and then this can apply to any sort of a niche that you want to create your social media accounts around, right? So here, let's say this is one of the website that I think is very helpful and truthful in my opinion, right? So what we can do, just come over this news section, because I think we want to create an RSS feed for the particular category, right? So here, once you click on this, just copy the URL from the navigation from the menu bar, and then go to RSS feed, and then click on this web page to RSS feed. And once you click on that, just paste the URL that you have copied from that website, and then click on this generate button, and then it will create an RSS feed for you, right? So that's how you can create an RSS feed for any sort of a website or social media, or any sort of a using any sort of a URL. And then just click on this save to my feed, and it will create. Now you can use this URL by just click on this copy button, and then you can use it in a mic.com system, in our AI powered social media system, right? So now let's look at that as well, how to do that. So for that, just come over to mic.com, log in with your account if you are watching this video for the first time, and if you are very new to the mic.com and everything, just sign up with the mic.com by using the link in the description box below, and then come over to this scenario section, and then on the right hand side you can see the create scenario button, just click on that and you will redirect to this particular screen. Okay, so now the next step is like, let me delete this one. Yep. So the next step is like, you just need to click on this plus icon, click on the RSS feed. So basically there are two options. First is watch RSS feed items, and then another one is retrieve RSS feed items, right? Again, if you want to get the post data whenever the particular website is posting, you can use watch RSS. So basically it will trigger when the new post is submitted in the website. And then retrieve RSS feed means it's for existing post. So you can fetch all the existing post under that particular category for which you have created the RSS feed, right? So in this particular case, we are going to use retrieve RSS feed. But again, in most of the scenario, in ideal scenario, you would be using watch RSS feed items, right? So now let's and then just paste the RSS feed in the URL section, and then here, for the sake of this video, I'm just putting out one. So basically it means that how many results you want as an output. So right now I'm just putting out one, but let's say if you want 10 results, you can do that as well. So yeah, now let's run this scenario. Yes, so as you can see here, you can get all the data around that particular RSS feed, and then you can also get the URL, and this is the main one. Right now we want to if you want to fetch the data from this URL, and then we want to fetch the content of the whole content of this URL. So how to do that? So for that, just click on this plus icon and just type HTTP and click on this get file, and then here you have to put URL, you have to map the URL, right? Let me put myself aside. So yeah, and then click on OK. Once you do that, let me just copy this URL. So once you do that, and then you run this module only, and then you copy paste the URL and click on OK, it will fetch the data from that URL, the content of that particular web page in an HTML form. Okay, let me put myself on the left side. Yeah, okay. So as you can see, the status code is 200, means it has fetched all the data from the URL successfully. And then we can see in the data, you can see this is the whole HTML content of that particular URL or the page, right? So now let's copy paste this one. This is too long data. Again, I'll tell you like why I'm right now copying this data. And this is for the next module we want to run, right? So yeah, just, oh man, this is so long. Yeah, okay. Let's do one thing, add one next model. So right now, okay, so we already got the data from the URL, but again that this data is in the HTML format, right? And then of course, like in some use cases, you have to use HTML data, but again in our use cases, this data is not of any use because it's in HTML, and then we have to convert this data into text. And then for that, there is a very beautiful module in the make.com which is called text parser, and then under that, this is very much popular module, HTML to text. So now what this module will do is that it will convert all the HTML data into the text, and then I'll show you how does that look like. So now let's say we already assigned that, and then now let's run let's run this whole scenario. Okay, yeah, okay, no, okay, got it, this URL. Yeah, okay, I think we have mapped wrong URL. So now let's run this again. Yeah, so as you can see, I think it fetch the long string from the HTML, and then all of this is in the text format. Right now we can use this data very easily. Okay, and then we can use this data in a using AI, and then we can create a caption for our Instagram post, and then we can create an image from that. So let's look at that as well. Yeah, OpenAI messaging assistant. So now again, there's one more thing that we need to do is like we need to create an assistant. We need to give assistant prompt, and then also we need to give him what kind of caption we exactly want, like what should be the feel, what should be the look like, and everything. So for that, just come over to this platform.openai.com/playground/assistant. Like if you don't have an account on OpenAI, just create an account and then add some sort of a font into that. Like I think minimum you can add is $5, and that is like more than enough to do a testing on platform, right? And then once you are done with that, just come over to this assistant menu, and then here you need to give you need to create one assistant, which is in our case is Instagram manager, right? So let me show you how you can do that. Yeah, just click on this one, click on create assistant, and then you will see the screen like this, right? And then here you can name your assistant. So in our case it is Instagram manager, which is going to create a caption for us, and then this is the context basically. So context is nothing but you're telling assistant that okay, this is your role and this is you have to do, right? Basically, so here this is the role for an assistant, that you are an Instagram caption expert with 10 years of experience in crafting and engaging and captivating high performing post copy for the top brands for the niche of artificial intelligence, right? So basically it is I'm telling uh, chat gpt assistant that hey, you are an expert in creating Instagram caption and you have a 10 years of experience basically, and then you already have crafted this kind of captions for many big brands in the industry for the niche of artificial intelligence, right? So that is what I'm saying to assistant, and then from there assistant will act as an expert and then already have an experience, right? So that's that. Again, to make it more authentic, make it more look like your tone, you can also add files to that. You can add as many files as you want, and also like if you want to add everything into one file, you can do that as well, and then upload those files into here, and then it will be more from the unique perspective, because then it will create a caption in your tone, in your style, and everything. So yeah, once you are done with that, you don't need to like save it. It is automatically saved. Then now just again come back to make.com, uh, click on this OpenAI module, and then here you have to choose this assistant. So in our case this is Instagram manager, and then the role is user, and then here you just need to give this data. Okay, yeah, and then yeah, that's it. I think you don't need to do anything apart from this, and then just click on this OK button. Let me yeah, let me just copy this whole text from the previous module, text parser module, and then we'll see the output, what kind of output it will generate, right? So yeah, okay. So yeah, this is the caption basically, breaking barriers and building safer AI. Discover how OpenAI's latest red teaming methods are paving way towards robust and so okay. I think this is very high quality captions, because I think once you add all the kind of files with your tone, with your unique touch, you can get really high quality captions in your style, in your tone. So this is where like you are creating difference between you and other players who are like using AI, because other players are using AI in a very general way, but you are like personalize AI to your tonality, to your touch. So that is something that you are doing uniquely. So that's the leverage I think you can get if you create a systems like this. Now again, I think we just need to do one thing here. Okay, final output must be including the caption and nothing else, right? before and after. So now again, because I think you are working with AI, so you have to be very specifics about the output that you are generating, and then sometimes it will add an extra words, extra sentences before and after the output. So you have to be very specific, and you have to instruct AI to just include the captions as an output in the final output, nothing else before and after. So that is like clear instruction for the AI that okay, you have to just add output, nothing else, right? So yeah, now let's click on this okay, and then now let's try to generate again and then see what kind of a results we get. So yeah, see, so now once we instruct AI to just keep the caption, it eliminate all the before and after sentences, and then just throw final output at a final output in only captions, right? So this is like really amazing. Now we can use these captions to generate an image, right? So now let's do that one. Okay, open AI, then generate an image. Okay, so here you have to choose a model Dell E. There are two models basically, Dell E3 and Dell E2. Again, like for the maximum quality, we can you can choose Dell E3, and then here in the prompt. Okay, so first of all, you have to basically define the size of that. So size is always like okay, 180 by 180, 180 into 180. Prompt is generate an for my Instagram post. From the captions. Okay. Okay. So now let's run this model only and then see what kind of image we get from this model. Now if you want this system absolutely for free, you can just check the description box below, and then you can find the link in the you can find the first link. Just click on that, and then you can download this blueprint for completely free, and then you can use it in your own AI system, AI social media system. So yeah, so I think we have output. So yeah, this is the image that it has generated. So now let's check out the image and the quality as well. See, I think the quality is like really good. But again, if you want to be very specific, if you want a very specific image as per your caption, you can always be specific when you are prompting to AI, and then you can add as many information and details as you can to personalize this to your account, right? So again, I'm not going into that, otherwise this video will be very long. But I just wanted to give you idea that what you can do with this kind of a system, and then what potential the systems has, right? So now the last step is like we have to post this on the Instagram, right? So just for that, select the, so basically there are two options. One is Instagram for business, and another one is only Instagram. Like if you choose this one, only Instagram, you can only get three options: download media, get media, and get album media. You cannot post through that. If you want to post automatically on your account, you have to select Instagram for business, and you have to connect your Meta business account with the make.com to post automatically from the make.com, right? So now again, here you can create multiple types of post like photo, reel, carousel, and also like you can get a lot of data from the Instagram for the particular users or from the explore section. But again, here in our case, we are going to create a photo post. So for that, just click on that and just So basically, once you click on that, and if you're doing it for the first time, you need to click on this add button, and then just give it a name. And then if you once you click on this save button, it will redirect you to connect your Instagram business account or Facebook business account with the make.com, and then after that you're good to go. Here just select the pages that you have, and then photo URL, you can give this URL, right? And then under the caption, you can give the caption as this one from the previous module, and then that's it. So now let's run this system once completely, and then see if we get if our photo and caption is posted on our account or not. So yeah, let's do that. Okay, so I'll log in into my account to just to show you that if the system is working or not. So yeah, this is still in progress, so let's see if it is working or not. Okay, yeah, so as you can see, I think the photo and the caption has been posted on our account, and then the caption is looks like this. So I think this system is working really well, and then I hope like this system will going to help you a lot. And then this is just one example of Instagram, but again you can use the similar system for Facebook, for TikTok, for LinkedIn, for Twitter as well. You just need to add couple of more social media accounts here, and you can also like customize the photos and the captions according to the social media platform that you are using. And then again let me tell you this as well, like to couple of marketing agencies, I have sold this system for like $1,500. So you can imagine how powerful this system is. Again, the system that I have sold has a lot of customization in the AI part, because I think that is something that is required, and then that is something that can differentiate you from the others, right? So you can always add as many information and detail as you can here in the AI part, where you are using AI platforms like OpenAI, Claude 3.5 or Perplexity basically. Hey, there you have it. If you found this video really helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more such videos, and then hit the bell icon to stay updated with our all the latest videos. Now if you have any sort of a questions or any concerns, or like if you need more details on this video, just drop them in the comment box below, and then I will read through all the comments, and then we'll create a videos around that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.